Alright, now that the activation is over, we'll be tearing down the bow flag. First step is you want to loosen this up so you'll be able to take the flag off the pole. So you want to screw it, let it come up a little bit, and there you go. You can take the whole pole off of the base. That way you can slide the flag off the pole. Just carefully, just let it slide on out. Sometimes the pole might come apart, which is totally fine. Just make sure you keep pushing the flag off of the pole. Once you have the flag off the pole, carefully fold it up. Do a few hamburger folds here. Give this new. Once you have it nice and neatly folded up, you can put it back in this clear bag. That way it won't get dirty before the next activation. Next up, simply just pull the poles out of each other. That way you have 4 separate pieces once again. You can slide those 4 pieces into their 4 respective slots in the case. After that, your base goes in as well. Slide on in there, make sure everything is pushed down to the bottom. Zip it up and you're good to go.